So here's the Ventana. This is the 3809 floor plan. Lots of nice storage, which I'll show you here in a second, but make sure you check out the beautiful ebony graphics. There are two other options that you can choose from, or we can do a custom color for you. Now there's 8 floor plans you can choose from, one new floor plan for 2025, and that is the 4340. That is a bunk model that gives you 2 full baths. Some of the cool features that you get on the 38-foot Ventana are the 380 horsepower engine, drive tech with comfort drive, the 15,000 pound VFS front suspension, V-Ride from Freightliner again, rear suspension. It's going to make you feel a lot more stable as you're going down the road, and Mobileye safety system. Check out the amazing amount of storage you get in this 38-foot Ventana. First of all, look at the height and the depth of these compartments. We've got the pass-through trays here. The halfway pass-through here, you can see we've got our central vac, the pegboard compartment. Again, this is just a quick overview. More storage, and our chassis batteries. And of course, we've optioned in the beautiful exterior TV, one of those things that you can sit outside, enjoy the outdoors, and watch your favorite program. Let's go check out the inside. Welcome to the beautiful interior of the 3809. Now this is the Saguaro interior. Have a hard time saying that one, don't I? With the beautiful Summit high gloss cabinets. Now we did the full Summit bottom and top, so it's really light and bright in here. I know it's not for everyone, but I want people to think about once they bring their little finishing touches into their coach. A little greenery, their rug that they may put down the runner, their throws and their pillows. You can really add any color to this that you want and make it your own, and brighten it up. I think it's really beautiful. I love how light and bright the light Summit wood cabinets make this feel. This would also be lovely in the suede finish. We went with the high gloss here, but you can get this with the suede if you want a little softer touch. Now another new feature for 2025 is that they eliminated the little laptop table that always got in your way when you turned and rotated your captain's chairs. So I kind of love that. You'll notice the beautiful tile floor, the ceiling treatments, the valances. Again, if this isn't your thing, we can pick out a new fabric for you. So just make sure you give us a call at National Indoor RV Centers. Our overhead cabinets, theater seating, and these are powered. So now it's going to be even easier to relax. Just push the button. You can also charge your cell phone from here. And we have the center console. Great storage here. Again, all the way down here. You can put throws in there. Put your remotes in here. Cups. And then off to the side here, we have the control for the TV lift, which is directly across from me. Our light controls. Love these panels, and you'll see those throughout the coach. Again, we went with the optional overhead bunk. I think that's sort of a no-brainer in the coach, in the models that offer it, because I don't even realize it's there. Love that feature. Nice big TV and nice big window behind that. Storage above and our AV cabinet, sound bar, and then we move into our kitchen. Again, Ventana. All electric, standard for 2025. Also another big feature that you can add for 2025 is collision mitigation. So I love that. Induction cooktop, nice big solid surface counter. Favorite drawer because there's tons of space in here. Optional dishwasher. 3 full extension drawers with soft close. Again, we get that nice big sink and our sink covers. Make sure you notice the kitchen window at the backsplash. Storage, space for your garbage can, little flip down. Spice drawer, and then all the storage above. Pull out tray, adjustable shelves. And we have the convection microwave oven and our little storage space for spices above that. Across from it, we've optioned in the booth dinette. Again, we can do the combo desk dinette, so that's where you get the buffet, the table, and the chairs. All right, now remember that this is gonna have leaves, so you can pull that all the way out here. And then one of the things that Newmar does that I absolutely love is their extra leg to give you that support. So you can put your leaves in, put your extra leg down. You've got 2 extra folding chairs. You can easily get 6 people to this booth dinette. Notice a nice big huge window that opens. You can get some cross breeze in here, which is, I know our campers love that. And then we have storage below the booth, French doors on a refrigerator, and we have the lock so that nothing falls out while we're going down the road. Our freezer, pantry, half bath here with the pivot door, again, so we can easily get into the bathroom, you know, with our slides are in. So check out, our breaker boxes here, our fuses, the new wiring display here. Everything's nicely put in there and labeled. And storage behind the medicine cabinet, solid surface, our vessel sink, more storage below, and we've got the dustpan. One of my favorite features, you just sweep everything over here, hit that, and it sucks it all away. Heading into the master bedroom, we've got a nice big king-size bed, storage. Here we've got our leaves for our dinette, our extra chairs. Nice padded headboard there with storage above. So we've got the panel right underneath the overhead cabinet so we can do the lights, and a few more functions from there. 2 nightstands, 110 outlets and USB charging ports. And then across from our bed, we've got the great setup. You're gonna see this setup a lot as we go through coaches today, because really it gives you so much space. You have wardrobe space on each side, nice big TV in the middle, of course with our window, and then we have 5 drawers plus our AV cabinet. So I love this bathroom too. Now last year, you'll remember, oh, look at another hanging space, adjustable shelves, love that. Finish my other thought. Last year, they gave us these bigger showers, and so nice and big, and then you've got a seat in here so you can sit down to shave your legs if you need to, or if you just want to enjoy the water running over you. Love that. The fixed fixture plus the handheld AquaView shower miser. I'll tell you more about that in my full-length video. And then the skylight there, so you have a little extra space. Again, nice counter space here in the bathroom. Lots of storage behind the mirrors. Look at that. And then more storage below. Optional washer and dryer, optional emergency egress door, and our push button control toilet. Again, towel bars. Look at that, 1, 2, 3 towel bars. I love that. You're not going to have towels on the floor or on the bed. Well, as long as you don't have teenagers around.